Alrighty, let's see what we are going to create today. Okay, it's look great. It has its own unique aspect. Let's try to create it. Okay, you see here, it's like nothing special. So how we can create that? At first, we need to add a new slide. Then this text is important. It's an easy one. You just use Overdrive Sunset as a font, this as an effect, and your text is ready. Now for this text, we have three texts that was colored white. You see here, and we put them here. After that, I just simply create a black shape and then send it to back. And before that, it's important to create also a white thing here, white rectangle. So this look this way. You see the effect? Okay, now we create that. We need to copy that, increase its size to the first benchmark, then copy that, increase its size to second benchmark. Now copy that, increase its size to the last benchmark. Okay, it's pretty unique. Now we set the, see, the problem here is that this text have some unique options here. It has a shape. That shape has a line that we make it none for it look better. Now we set the transition to morph and bring this to the middle and to front. Okay, let's take a look. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.